Quality planning consists of developing the products and processes required to meet customers' needs. Juran's Quality Handbook. Those words introduce us to the world of quality, a world that is often overlooked, yet it is the backbone of every successful product and service. Quality, in its simplest form, is about meeting the needs and expectations of customers. It's about creating a product or a service that not only serves its purpose, but does so consistently, efficiently, and effectively. It's about taking pride in your work and striving for excellence in every aspect. Quality is not a destination, it's a journey, and every step on that journey matters. But how do we embark on this journey of quality? That's where Juran's Quality Handbook comes in. This handbook is more than just a book. It's a guide, a mentor, a compass that points to the path of performance excellence. It's a testament to the importance of quality and a beacon that illuminates the way for those who strive for it. Juran's Quality Handbook emphasizes the importance of planning and quality. Planning, after all, is the first step in any journey. It's about understanding the needs of your customers, designing your product or process to meet those needs, and then developing it with quality in mind. Quality planning is about foresight, about anticipating potential issues and addressing them before they become problems. Quality isn't just about the end product or service, it's about the process that leads to it. It's about the people involved, their skills, their commitment, their passion. It's about the systems and tools used, their effectiveness, their efficiency. Quality is a holistic concept, encompassing every aspect of a product or service, from conception to delivery. In the end, quality is not an act of chance, it's a result of careful planning, meticulous execution, and continuous improvement. As Juran himself said, quality is not an act, it is a habit. And like any habit, it requires commitment, discipline, and consistency. So let's embrace quality, let's make it a habit, and let's see the difference it can make. Just as Juran emphasized, quality is not an act, it is a habit. The quality revolution began not in a boardroom but in the mind of one man, Joseph M. Juran. An engineer by profession and a quality enthusiast at heart, Juran's passion for quality management was ignited while he was working at Western Electric's Hawthorne plant in the 1920s. As he observed the production process, he realized that quality was not just a function of the product, but of the entire process that created it. This revelation led Juran to devote his life to quality management, and his ideas began to take shape in the form of a comprehensive guide to achieving excellence. He spent countless hours, days, and years refining his theories, testing them in real-life scenarios, and documenting his findings. His unwavering commitment, relentless pursuit of excellence, and a desire to share his knowledge culminated in the creation of a groundbreaking work, Juran's Quality Handbook. And thus, the Bible of quality management was born. At the heart of Juran's Quality Handbook, there are three pillars: quality planning, quality control, and quality improvement. First, let's talk about quality planning. Consider this as the blueprint for excellence. It's where the journey to quality begins. In this phase, organizations determine their objectives and set the bar for quality. They plan the processes needed to meet these objectives, and they establish the metrics to measure success. Juran believed that quality planning is essential for laying a strong foundation. Without it, the subsequent stages of quality control and improvement are like building a house on sand. Next, we have quality control. This is the guardian of standards, the watchdog that ensures the planned quality levels are being met. Quality control involves monitoring the processes and outputs to identify any deviations from the set standards. It's like a vigilant security guard, constantly on the lookout for intruders in the form of defects or errors. The goal? To maintain the status quo and ensure consistency of output. Finally, we arrive at quality improvement. This is the road to perfection, the drive to always do better. Quality improvement is about continually refining processes and systems to enhance quality. It's the relentless pursuit of excellence, the insatiable appetite for betterment that sets successful organizations apart. It's about not just meeting, but exceeding expectations and doing so consistently. These three pillars, quality planning, quality control, and quality improvement, are not standalone concepts. They are interconnected, each one feeding into and strengthening the others. They form a robust, comprehensive quality management system that serves as a roadmap to performance excellence. Imagine them as a three-legged stool. Quality planning is the first leg, setting the direction. Quality control is the second leg, ensuring stability and balance. Quality improvement is the third leg, driving forward momentum. All three are needed for the stool to stand and function effectively. Quality is a three-legged stool. You need all three pillars for it to stand. So remember, the pursuit of quality is a continuous journey, not a destination. And in that journey, planning, control, and improvement are your steadfast companions, guiding you towards excellence. Quality planning is about developing products and processes that align with customer needs. This principle is a cornerstone of Juran's Quality Handbook, and it serves as the blueprint for excellence in any organization. Quality planning is not just about meeting the basic requirements, it's about going a step further, identifying what the customer needs before they even realize they need it. It's about anticipating, innovating, and creating solutions that not only meet, but exceed customer expectations. Let's consider a relatable example. Think about your favorite restaurant. You keep going back, not just because they serve your favorite dish, but because they create an entire experience that aligns with your needs. The ambiance, the service, the menu choices, everything is planned meticulously to ensure you have a memorable experience. In the same vein, quality planning is about understanding your customer's world and crafting your products or services to fit seamlessly into it. It's about designing processes that are efficient, effective, and geared towards customer satisfaction. Quality planning is a proactive approach. It's about identifying potential issues before they become problems. It's about creating a roadmap for success, a blueprint for excellence. It involves defining the who, what, when, where, and how of your operational processes to ensure they align with your customers' needs. Let's take a tech company, for example. They don't just create a product and hope it sells. They conduct market research, understand what their potential customers need, and then design their product to meet those needs. They plan for quality, right from the initial stages of product development. Quality planning is also about continuous improvement. It's not a one-time thing, it's an ongoing process. A cycle of planning, implementing, checking, and refining. In essence, quality planning is about setting the stage for excellence. It's about creating a foundation that supports quality in all aspects of your operations. It's about making a commitment to your customers and to yourself to deliver the best, always. Remember, well begun is half done, and that's what quality planning is all about. Quality control is the process of meeting the quality goals during operations. Picture the captain of a ship, tirelessly guiding his vessel through stormy seas, ensuring it stays on course. Quality control takes on a similar role in the realm of performance excellence. It's the vigilant sentinel, standing guard to maintain the standards set during the planning phase, making certain we don't drift off course. Quality control is the pulse monitor of our operations. It's not just about fixing things when they go wrong, it's about creating systems that prevent deviations in the first place. It's the art of consistency, keeping our operations aligned with the quality goals we've set. Think of it like a symphony orchestra. Each instrument plays a crucial part, but without a conductor to guide them, the harmony is lost. Quality control is that conductor. It ensures each element of our operation is playing in tune, keeping the symphony of quality alive. It's the bridge between planning and improvement, a constant feedback loop that allows for fine-tuning and adjustment. It's a process of learning and adapting, refining our operations to meet the ever-evolving demands of excellence. Quality control is the unsung hero of performance excellence. It's the silent force that keeps the wheels of quality turning, ensuring we meet our goals and uphold the standards we've set. Quality control is like a goalkeeper, always on guard to maintain standards. It's the guardian of our commitment to excellence, the protector of our promise to deliver quality. Quality improvement is the proactive effort to enhance performance. This statement rings true in every industry, every field, and every corner of the world. But what exactly does it mean? Quality improvement, or QI, is a systematic, formal approach to the analysis of performance and systematic efforts to improve it. In the context of Juran's Quality Handbook, it is the third and final pillar, building on the foundations of quality planning and quality control. Imagine a car manufacturing plant that produces top-notch cars, but they've noticed a slight increase in defects. They've planned meticulously and controlled the quality of their parts, but there's still room for improvement. That's where quality improvement comes in. QI is about being proactive, about taking the initiative to identify, reduce, and eliminate suboptimal performance. It's about making sure that the car plant, or any other business, is always striving for better, for perfection. But here's the catch. Perfection is an unattainable goal. There will always be room for improvement, always an opportunity to do better. That's the beauty of quality improvement. It's a continuous cycle, a never-ending journey of enhancement and refinement. It's about understanding that no matter how good your product or service is, it can always be better. This is what Juran understood and what he encapsulated in his quality handbook. It's a concept that's as relevant today as it was when he first penned it. Quality improvement is the journey, not the destination. It never ends.